to move to this side. Okay, we're going to work on three things. It's going to be a very short and very quick video. I am going to show you what I do. I do it with the alphabet. I do it with numbers. I do it through games. Some of the games that come up are understood through our arrangements. These 9 numbers. We don't see 4 numbers. We see 9 numbers. There are no other than 9 numbers. Then what is 0? What is the dot? And what is the equals? It's part of the equations in the game, the same as the division, the multiplication, the minus, and the plus. It's all about location. It's all about dividing and understanding how numbers divide. 1, 4, and 7. Everything I do, I like to divide it by 2, 3, and 4, and that's what gives me my divisions of 1/4, 1/3, 66%, 0.7 at the end, obviously, and 3 with 4 at the end, obviously, in order to complete the whole number. And the other one is 1/2. I can also use 3/4. So in between 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4 is 0.33 and 0.66, in which the area of 0.66 and 0.33 can be exchanged, and the area of 0.75 and 0.25 can be exchanged. It can be the flip side. And they can be equal and alike each other, telling the same story from both worlds, understanding that there is a difference of the two worlds, but they're actually the same, just it's divided and one is streamed, one is a little bit behind each other. There is a standard world. And the standard for our creation is we stand, they say in blackjack, which is 21, 21 representing the 21 dots of the cube, the sun cube. The reason it is the sun cube, it is because there are 6 sides and there is an arrangement of what you see as 21, but there are 9 per side, there are 6 sides, there are 54 area spaces in which we can put a single dot. Although we just see 21 single dots, okay, in collaboration with each other on each cube, making it 1 through 6, there's going to be all areas of 9, but here you see 1 and you see an 8 void. That's A, because 1 divides everything in between all. 2 is a 7 void. 3 is a 6 void. Now the thing about 3, this is completely different. You see the way I was able to just make one single move with A, B, C, but in order to get to D, I have to turn around the dice and go D, and then go E, and then when I flip it over, I get F. Now you can ask me a question. When I turned it over for F, do you see the way it's going? I didn't flip it over this way. Would it have been a different story if it was this way? It sure would, because here's your 1 and 2. I never get to go to 6, but on this side, the 6 is an H because of that division. This is what the H would look like if there was a dot in the center, but you can also call it the N. And if you turned it sideways, you'd be calling it the W. So these are things I do, and I'm just ranting through this very quickly. So there are 33 voided spaces, 3 times 3, 3 plus 3, on a cube that has 6 sides. 33 noted for the command and creation of the Christ. But we're not going to get into that right now. I don't want to get into anything to do with religion, but everything fits together. Now what I want to get into is the base of the cycle. The base of the cycle Okay, so I filled in the rest of the numbers. I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to go down the line, and the value is 713-858-659-722. This is going to give me alternative realities. They are the single-digit count of each one of these. They will create the mathematics that you see down here. And this one is the pass of the cat. This is the spirit of 76. According to the game of craps and the dice cubes and their rules, that's what number 24. Number 95 is also perfect, also works into the reverse of the cube. 107 becomes one of the words of 20. Okay, 20, remember what 20 is. 20 is what is between 10 and 20. Or what is all of 20? T, it is a pass. 20 is a pass. 10 can either be in 90 or in 60, but 20 can be in 80 and in 90 because of the expression 4 times 20 plus 10. And it is 60 plus 10. So it is in 70 that we see this. Anyways, Raphael, I try to do a quick video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here today and taking part in the House of Alphabet Skeleton Paint.